The Clarke CRD1250 Contractor Professional Quality SDS Plus Rotary Hammer Drill is the perfect power tool for drilling concrete, stone, masonry and brick. In rotary mode, it's great for steel and wood too. The CRD1250 features selectable controls for Rotary Only, rotary hammer drilling, plus rotation stop light chiselling and demolition. This heavy-duty power tool delivers first-rate performance at a fantastic price. The 1250-watt motor has a no-load speed of 800 RPM and comes with both an SDS Plus tool holder system and a 3-jaw chuck for total versatility. The CRD1250 can drill 32 mm diameter in concrete and a massive 40 mm in wood. It comes supplied in a tough storage carry case with 3 assorted SDS Plus drill bits and 2 SDS Plus chisel bits. The Clarke CHT579 17-piece kit makes an ideal companion accessory set for this powerful drill. The Clarke CRD1250 Contractor SDS Plus Rotary Hammer Drill will give you many years of service.